What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are going to talk about this Ulefone Power Armor 16S, a newly released feature-packed rugged smartphone. And you know what? This Power Armor 16S is a very unique smartphone. You may have already noticed, it comes with a very big loudspeaker at the rear panel. Yeah, definitely we'll talk about all the features and performance of this Power Armor 16S. As usual, we'll start from unboxing. But before that, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. There are many different rugged smartphones available on the market from different brands. But I always prefer Ulefone cause Ulefone always do something new and unique. Power Armor 16S is a premium class flagship rugged smartphone, and it not only looks premium or feels premium, it is actually built with premium materials. Power Armor 16S has IP68, IP69K and military standard 810H certification, so it's truly a rugged smartphone. Metal frame with reinforced side rails along with premium quality polycarbonate at the back. This looks premium and has a flashy vibe. On the left there is a TF and SIM tray, so yeah, we can expand storage. There is a customizable button on the left side. I really like this accent color. There is a proprietary port. We can connect plug and play accessories through this port. Volume rockers and power button all are located on the right side. Fingerprint sensor is integrated into the power button. USB-C port, headphone jack and a microphone are located at the bottom. It's good to see that the USB-C port and the 3.5mm port both are well protected with a cover. On top there are two cutouts for the protective case along with a heavy-duty flash. Let me quickly show you how good is this flashlight. It goes very bright and can be a very handy tool in the darkness. Well, as I mentioned, there are cutouts for a protective case. Let me show you the protective case. It is a multi-purpose protective case. We can use this one with some other accessories. This protective case not only protects the rear panel, but also makes it easy to use the phone with some other accessories. There are a lot of accessories that can be used with this Ulefone Power Armor 16S. I have got this C01 digital microscope and E02 digital endoscope. Both are plug and play and offers professional grade performance. These accessories can be used as a professional tool in a professional environment. Ulefone Power Armor 16S has a hi-fi loudspeaker. It can go very loud, up to 122 decibel. It has a peak wattage of 3.5 watt and very good 11.5 cc sound cavity. If you are looking for a portable mini party speaker, then Ulefone Power Armor 16S is the one that you should check. The loudspeaker not only goes very loud, it offers crisp and clear sound quality and can reproduce all the different hertz with clarity. Power Armor 16S has a 50 megapixel main sensor. I have taken many photos with this Ulefone Power Armor 16S and it has satisfied me with its performance. You will also be able to take some nice portraits with this Ulefone Power Armor 16S. It has a good dynamic range and picks up a lot of details. Okay, Power Armor 16S has 8GB of RAM on board and there is an option to expand the RAM up to another 8GB. So that means we have access to 16GB of RAM. Moreover, Ulefone Power Armor 16S is powered by a 8-core UniSoC T616 very capable processor, so definitely we can play games on this smartphone. I have been playing some GPU intensive games on this phone without having any heating or lagging issue. But yeah, if you are a hardcore gamer, a rugged smartphone is not for you. If you occasionally wanna play some games, you can throw any game at it. This Power Armor 16S will be able to provide you with a very good performance. Power Armor 16S has a huge 9600 mAh battery pack. Also, you can get a desk charging dock. The charging dock is really a good tool. There are 4 POCO pin connectors with strong magnets, so the phone firmly sits on this charger and gets charged at a very high speed. There is a LED indicator in front on the charging dock which shows the charging status. Build quality of this dock is really super premium, and there is a USB-A port at the back that lets us to recharge other devices through this port. So yeah, Power Armor 16S not only comes with a very large battery pack, we can recharge these phones so easily, and once the phone is fully refueled, I have managed to use the phone for almost 10 days. That's not only massive, that's ludicrous. Ulefone Power Armor 16S has a super quality display panel. Yes, it is an IPS LCD display panel, but as Ulefone always uses premium quality display panels for their smartphones, these IPS LCD panels are well calibrated and capable enough to reproduce natural colors. I think Ulefone Power Armor 16S has the best HD Plus display panel among all the rugged smartphones in its class. Under sunlight, this display panel goes very bright, and under dim lighting environment, this one goes very dim. Color reproduction is as natural as it can be. White is very bright, black is pretty dark, and altogether, I truly like this vibrant panel. Ulefone always offers stock Android without much of a customization. I really like this smooth OS experience, and as far as I know, Ulefone will offer Android updates for a few years. So Power Armor 16S is truly a future-proof smartphone. As usual, the safety and biometrics are working perfectly fine. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor unlocks the phone very fast, and it's really very responsive. Ulefone Power Armor 16S comes with this face unlocking option. So yeah, definitely you can use the face unlocking option if you prefer that. Well, that's all about this Ulefone Power Armor 16S. Considering the price, it offers a very good value for money, and actually Power Armor 16S performs beyond its price tag. So yeah, if you're on the market looking for a rugged smartphone, then I wouldn't hesitate for a split of a second to recommend this Power Armor 16S to you. I have left the link of this phone in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. But before that, yeah, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.